This is not an ordinary power bank. It's magnetic, wireless, and built like a tank. The ArmorGo Qi2 might be the ultimate charger you need on the go. Let's jump into the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Unbox and Beyond, and my name is Srini. This channel is all about first impression and overview of the product. So if you like such kind of topic, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So meet the Armor Qi2, a strong and rugged 10,000 milliampere power bank with Qi2 magnetic wireless charging. It is made for the outdoors, built to survive drops, splashes, and everyday chaos. It offers both wire and wireless charging with strong N52 magnet for secure attachment. Before we dive too much into detail, a small disclaimer. This video is made in collaboration with BENKS, and their team did send me their unit for testing and review purpose, and I'm allowed to keep this unit. So BENKS is a global tech accessories brand redefining the way we protect and power our devices. From MagSafe ready chargers, screen protectors, power bank, phone cases, BENKS blends into smart design and premium durability. Built for the people who demand style, function, and reliability in every detail. If you like to purchase, I will share the affiliated link in the description. And if you use my discount code, you will get an additional 15% discount of your purchase. And by doing this, you will also help me and my channel grow. Let's first start do the unboxing. The packaging is neat and clean in a solid case. It also looks premium and comes with a smooth snap open design. It is very satisfying to open, and I like this very much. Inside the box you will get a power bank, a USB Type-C cable for charging, and a user guide. So let's take a closer look for the power bank. On the one side you have this N52 magnet which is used for the wireless charging. It also has a Type-C USB port for the power bank charging. It also has an LED indicator to show the level of charging. So overall the design is very premium. The build quality is also very nice. It comes with a rubberized ring, so also it protects your phone from scratches. Well, with the first impression, it is very compact in size and premium in design and color. The build quality seems pretty solid and it is durable and high end. It is engineered for durability and crafted with a smooth texture for modern aesthetics. The ArmorGo Qi2 integrates high-grade N52 magnets to deliver stable and precise magnetic connection. No fumble, secure and efficient wireless charging that locks on instantly even while you're on the move. You can see how strong the magnets are. Even though I'm shaking the phone, the power bank is still stable. So whether you're indoor or outdoor, or a person who forgets to charge your phone frequently, then this power bank you should must have. The ArmorGo Qi2 grip-friendly design and tough shell make it a perfect for the life on the go. Most power banks are boring bricks. This is smart, safe and stylish. And with 10,000 milliampere battery, it can power your full day without breaking a sweat. So, what's great about ArmorGo Qi2 and what could have been better? So, it is perfect for iPhone with MagSafe, and I would say from iPhone 12 and the latest models, and it can charge wirelessly up to 15 watts. Unfortunately, this is not for the Samsung series phones. It also has a MagSafe compatibility. It directly snaps to the back of the iPhones or MagSafe compatible cases and no separate cables needed. It has strong magnetic hold and great for the on-the-go charging. It charges most of the smartphones 1.5 to 2 times fully, ideal for day trips, travel and all-day use. It has shock-resistant casing and solid grip. It is great for outdoor use and tough handling. It can also charge a device while the power bank is also charging. It is great for desk setups and travel. With USB-C input or output, the fast charging is up to 20 watts. And one port does the double duty. So that means less clutter. It comes with the LED battery display and shows the exact percentage of battery level. So what could have been better? The wireless charging is efficient, but it still needs some more improvement. The Qi2 charger is fast but not fast enough as compared to the wired charging. That's because 10 to 20% of energy is being lost because of the heat generated due to the wireless charging. It's thicker and heavier compared to the standard power banks. The rugged design adds little bit of bulky and weight. It can feel a bit heavy when you attach it to your phone while holding it. Also, with limited magnetic compatibility with Android phones, unless using a MagSafe case or a ring adapter. For non-MagSafe compatible devices, you still need to carry a USB-C cable or a lightning cable for charging your phone. Rugged plus MagSafe plus Qi2 equal to premium pricing compared to the basic 10,000 milliampere power banks. So my thoughts, ready to get rid of your cable mess and power up the smart way. So if you need a reliable, rugged and MagSafe compatible power bank with a wireless convenience, the ArmorGo Qi2 is a premium choice. Just to let you know, it is a little bit bulkier and better suited for iPhones with MagSafe compatibility. Check out my affiliated link in the description. And apart from power bank, there are so many accessories which you can have a look and you can purchase on a discounted price. And don't forget to use the unique code in the description. So friends, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you're always notified whenever I upload any new video. From unbox to verdict, follow for the honest takes. See you all in the next video. Stay charged.